right, y'all, Clee's coming in hot.
I'm coming in. Okay, y'all, so they had a big old stash of supplies over here, and they whittled it down, though, really.
Yeah, so basically all these projects are just our scraps.
These are just bonus scraps, yes. So we're going to make, I think, some type of swag action here, I think. Okay, so this is
the only base she had.
Yeah, this is the only base we had available. So I thought we'd just kind of weave this around and make up a little base, kind of as a support piece in the center. So I'm going to do this just so I can have a little bit beefier base to work with than just the putting these gold picks today together.
Y'all, and listen, at Michael's, after the Christmas season, you can get those for like $1 sometimes. Super cheap.
Oh, yeah, yeah. And we're going to hide it all pretty much, so you're not going to even need it to be fancy pine or anything. All right, let me see how we're doing. All right, I think I'm going to just use these kind of on the back base here to get a nice length off this. Just get all that pine. Okay. If I make it that big, you don't have anything else we can fill in with?
Yeah, we have a lot of stuff.
Okay. Oh
my gosh. I'll go shopping for you.
All right, go shopping. All right, let me start to get this built up a bit. Yeah, if you have more of this gold, that would work.
I got it.
Let's see what we can come up. We're just going to start really building this up first.
Oh, look how amazing this hat is. Did we get this hat from you?
Yes. Yes. How do we come up with our designs? Well,
we're literally bringing her stuff.
So I'm just going to keep building out the base, kind of hiding the pine.
We're going to a lot.
No, we're going to be all right. Let me just get the back done here. We'll get there. Put it around.
So are you going for a swag or a centerpiece?
Well, I'm going to make it as, it could be anything. I was going for swag, but you want to do a centerpiece?
It doesn't matter.
We could switch it to a centerpiece. Sounds good to me. We're doing a centerpiece now. All right, so we took that little piece here, right here, and then we just added all this to it after we weaved it around. So we could make that into a swag totally. Oh, that's so pretty already.
It is pretty.
Even we just put a bow.
Yeah.
Done. Okay, let's put that in. I'm going to have a really long tail, I think, to start off. We're going to do this a little different. I'm going to have a tail up. All right.
If the tag pops out, it's because I use a butcher knife.
That's okay. We'll get it back
I just
in.
stopped when they were even.
You just said, that's enough.
Yeah.
Might have a little trouble getting it out, but we'll try.
I was like, I still have 10 fingers, call it quits.
Yeah, exactly. I learned this from Jordan. He was back turning this ribbon. It just makes me so happy. I'm going to take this little trick and try it on all ribbons. I don't think it will work with every ribbon. All right, let's do a couple loops of this. Maybe just one. Maybe we'll just make it kind of funky. Okay. I like that polka dot. That's cute.
I mean, we know where to go.
They're not even playing, right?
No one's gonna know. They're gonna know.
And we can just put some wispiness up here. Roll that in there. Okay.
And the shirt, what's that one that says
It's fun. I like this already. Here's my long tail. This is my long tail. So I'm going to put my longer tail kind of going down that way because we're going to use this as a centerpiece. But if we wanted to make it a swag, we could have done the same thing with the longer tail kind of going down.
Can anyone tell me why the ribbon ends are folded?
Jordan said to fold them.
Jordan started that trend in here, and I'm all over it. All right, let's do it. All right, I got that one. Now put some on this other side. All right.
Should let her go with it.
I'm telling you.
Okay. Let's see where we're at so far.
Oh, I love
That's
the way
right.
the present hangs out.
Okay.
That's standing. Sorry.
I think
This
Or
is
you give
stunning
up-
and wispy and elegant.
Yeah,
Wow.
it's awesome.
Eleganza.
It's pretty good for working with
I
the
love
scraps.
it. This is a really good scrap centerpiece.
It's a good scrapper. It's scrappy.
It's super scrappy.
I think we're gonna do it for New Year, right? We're calling New Year's.
Oh gosh. I don't know, she wants us to create it now.
I'm sure.
No, I think they're talking about the icicles. And when you do, I will be here to support you. I will laugh.
That's a true friend.
I will laugh and I will help you clean it up, but I'm gonna have tears rolling down my
We're talking
face.
about the icicles too. The icicles.
Oh yeah, we have more of those.
Are these from your shop, Damon?
These are
No.
beautiful.
Those are from Arcadia.
Arcadia. Okay.
That makes sense. Those look like they're from Arcadia.
Trying to tuck this in. Tuck it in. Tuck it in.
It's not true.
Oh, I tell you, I'm lucky.
Look how pretty that is.
It's so pretty. It's got the bling bling going on with it.
Someone said it reminds me of Alice in Wonderland, kind of.
Oh, it does. It's the hat.
Y'all, that brought it to a whole new level, that piece. We have more of that if you need it.
Okay, let's get this black curl.
Lots of, it's gorgeous, stunning, amazing.
Oh, yay, yay.
Delicious. No.
It's coming together. Pretty cool.
Gorgeous.
That was just in their head, don't worry.
What is happening here? What are they doing?
No,
Someone
someone said
spelled
delicious, but
delicious.
I think
Oh,
it's
that's something else.
somebody else.
Stunning, so very pretty.
All right, awesome. I'm still able to get to my little pine under there and hold on and stuff.
Don't go to craft checks with Damon.
Yeah, he's gonna cost you a lot. Okay, let me get. I just need to move this one back, y'all. It's a little too far out.
Do we have SKUs on the greenery?
I mean, if they're in the box. Let's see.
A couple of these.
She'll have to What was that? Gorgeous.
Okay, that's all right.
right. That's fancies.
She might need the balls. Let me.
Yeah,
That's okay. I'll take some out of here. I'll just steal some from these others to make one more pick. There's
All
no problem. We've got plenty we can steal from.
Oh my god.
What do you want, Sissy?
I want to see the ribbon.
Gorgeous.
It's beautiful.
So pretty.
It's
We got it.
monthly box exclusive.
Okay, I think we did it. We did
We
it.
did it.
I think we did it,
Let
y'all.
me move this out of here.
There we are.
Y'all, look how
That
pretty
is
this
gorgeous.
is.
He did it.
Hey, let's show them the bottom real quick to show them like what it was with.
Gorgeous.
That's gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
Y'all, that is just a little skimpy garland that she wound up and made a base.
Can you believe that?
Was it as
It's actually pretty good, too.
Yeah.
I'm shocked. Yeah.
One's that thing over there like a basketball.
Yeah. Woo!
Well, you have to. That way you know it's ready to ship.
Well, we're going to have to ship it.
Y'all, I used to do the shake test before I would ship anything.
Oh, for sure.
Turn it upside down and shake it.
That way you know everything's going to fall off.
Yeah.
Fall off now. All right.